Good day, people. Today we are just going to compare the menu of the two devices. On my left hand side I've got A51, and then on my right hand side I've got A53. I've had A51 since 2020 and I've been running Android 12 on this one. So yesterday or day before I got an update for Android 13, so I just want to compare the settings of both devices. So they are all, this is A51, A53, and then on this side we are both running Android 13 One UI 5.0. So what we're going to do, I just want to compare and see all the settings. Why is this one Wi-Fi off? Okay, let's just turn it on and then we clear this one. So here are the settings. So we'll start out with the notification with this bar, and then we can check here. There's nothing more. Done. Quick panel layout, same settings. Status bar. We've got the same settings also. Let's just go back. I saw one more thing. Okay, contact us. This is not a speed video between the two devices. We are just comparing the menus and everything. So what's in the menu, what's new, what's changed on the A53. But so far we've got the same thing. So we'll just jump into settings. We compare the both devices. From connection, we've got Wi-Fi is the same thing. Wi-Fi direct, so we can go to Wi-Fi direct. We go back to Wi-Fi, intelligent Wi-Fi. We are both running version 5. Advanced settings, still the same thing. Manage networks, still the same thing. Let's check. Okay, we are done with Wi-Fi settings. So we go back to Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi calling should be on and off button, still be the same thing. Bluetooth also the same thing. Remember, I've just reset these phones, so they've got nothing on there, no settings. I haven't set them up, so I'll set them up again. This one, okay, this is data. We go to NFC. We use it for card payments. Flight mode, there's nothing on flight mode, it's on and off button. Mobile networks, so we've got mobile data. Okay, on A51, my A51 is just a normal one. It's a LTE 4G model, does not have a 5G. On the A53 I've got 5G, so that's the only difference so far. That will be the access points, network operator. Then we can, if you deselect, you can select the networks manually, but we don't want to do that now. Then we go to SIM card manager. There's the SIM cards. There are the options, more settings. Nothing new. Then we go back. We go to mobile network, mobile hotspot. These are the details. You can configure, you can do advanced. I think here's our first change. Broadcast channel. Okay, on this one you can select a channel. Which one do you want to use? One, between 1 and 11. Okay, so we've got everything is still the same, but we've got this one, broadcast channel. You can select your own channel to broadcast with. More connections. Rich connection, I don't know this one is for what. Messaging will be set by default. Okay, I don't know, that one is the first time seeing it. Remember, this one I've got it about 2 weeks, so I haven't really played around with it. And then down there it's still the same, it's all the same: cloud, link to Windows, Android Auto. Now we go to connected. This is a new device, new feature on this A51. So we got quick share, switch, call on other device. I think here everything is the same. Everything is the same. In the router, there's nothing to select there. You have to select the car. Then we go to modes. Also modes. I think we've got modes. Let's check here. Settings. Notification. Okay, there's a new version available. We will update later, but so far still the same thing. Routines. It will be the same. Notification. It's the same. Now we go to sounds and vibration. I think the ringtones are not the same, but we will not go through the ringtones now. So we're just going through notification. We've got notification system sound. Same thing. System keyboard. Sound effects. Same. Still have the same settings. Now we go to notifications. What's this? Lock screen notification on. Hide contact. Okay, on this one we don't have it here. So we've got hide contacts. Okay, show on always display. Yeah, it's the same. Do not disturb. We go to display. Display, we've got dark modes, brightness, auto. Here I've got this one. Okay, on this A53 I've got 120 hertz, and then this one does not have, I think it's on 90. I could be mistaken, but I think this one is 90 hertz. Then we go to eye comfort shield. It's the same. Camera cutout. Now navigation bar, I'm just going to change to gestures. I prefer using gestures than these lower buttons. I want to hide that thing now. gesture hints. I don't want those. Navigation bar, accidental touch content sensitive, showing charge information, screensaver. Down here we've got same thing. So we go to wallpaper and style. It's only the same. I'm using the defaults. This one. Apply dark modes and then color pattern. So let's check. Color pattern. You can select whatever you want. But for now, let's turn them off. We go to themes. I don't really open this thing. I don't really open it. I don't use them. Now we go to home screen. Still the same. We've got 5. The same, add media. Okay, on this one, I've got only Samsung free, and then on A53 I've got Google Discover. I prefer to use Google Discover than Samsung free. I will disable it. Let me disable it so long. Then here we've got the same thing, same settings. Now we go to lock screen. Remember, there's nothing set on this phone for now, so just none so that they can be the same. This is a new feature. You can also edit screens, clocks, types. Okay, then we can change. They're also still the same, né? Then down here we've got icons only or details. Icons only for now. Anything else? Nothing. Wallpapers. Wallpapers, we go back. Then we can also change down here the button. If you want to change it from the call button to anything else that you like, you can always select here. Or you can change the camera. If you don't like the camera, you can put a torch, and then you click on done on both devices. Then we've got roaming, widgets. Let's go to widgets. It's the same, music, everything same. About, and then here for the hidden content and fingerprints. Security and privacy. Lock screen, find my phone. This is just to ask us to set up the phone. Security. Register your face, same thing. Secure folder, we don't need it now. Private share. Install unknown apps. This is if you download the application not from Play Store. So you need to enable this one so that you can install those softwares on your cell phone. Now we go to, I forgot to location permissions. Which one is using the location services, emergency, medical info. This is just your information, your name, everything, your allergies. Emergency contact, if you like to add some family member or someone who can be contacted during emergency. Emergency sharing, cancel, we don't need now. Silence notification while driving, yes, if you don't want him to be disturbed while you're driving, you can turn it off. Wireless emergency alerts. Accounts and backup, this is just your Samsung account. This is Google, it will be the same here. Lamps, same. Side keys. One hand. Screenshots and records. Okay, there are changes. Sound, video quality. On this one, you've got this option. Okay. Still the same. Advanced, digital. My A53, the version is 6 gig and then 128, both are 128. A53 is 4 gig. Like I said, I've just reset this phone, so it's still learning the new patterns now. Apps, there's nothing. On apps, there's nothing. General management, tool with the keyboard. Oh, by the way, I'm from South Africa. Show some love, hit a like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Then accessibility. Recommended advanced settings. We got to subscribe, but there won't be anything. It will still say you've got the latest version on your phones. Current version we are running. Tips and manual. About phone, and that's where we'll see the status. No, we need to see the version, battery information. This one has got 5,000 milliamps battery, this one is 4,000, but this one is still holding sharp so far. And then we are done with the menus. So what we can just check now is the cameras, the different options. Auto FSP. Fan snap lens. Here on this one, on A53, I've got a pro mode and okay, single take we've got, but I've got a pro mode here, pro video, and then A53 64 megapixel, and then A51 is 48. And then on video, what I've noticed, I've got this one, I've got 4K in 30 frames per second. That is the only thing. I've got portrait. Here we start with the fan. And that's it. The way wallpapers we've already checked. So then the themes, we just go to settings, go to widgets. Contacts, device care, digital well-being, drive, okay, gallery. Let me just show you Facebook also. On this side, I don't think I've already installed Facebook on this side. Gmail, Google, LinkedIn, Magnify, Maps, Modes. This one is currently, I'm using Vodacom, so this is my network provider. What they want to do? Okay, it's the data. Outlook, photos. On A51, I've got a radio. On A53, there's no radio on this device. Recommended, reminder, Samsung global goals, health, internet, notes, smart things, Spotify, user manuals, weather, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tomorrow we'll look at the hardware of the both device and then the difference.